Welcome to DocQ, the perfect solution to your personal documentary needs. We are a public service organization joining hands with the Department of Registration of Persons of Sri Lanka to provide you with ease and efficiency. Check the document requirement on the department website and submit it to the DocQ acceptance counter at your nearest railway station. The DocQ officers at the counter will complete the preliminary verifications of your documents needed for processing. The futuristic DocQ train collects your verified packet of supporting documents, and whilst it travels across the island, it generates the issuance of your requested personal documentation. Within 48 hours, you will receive a notification on your mobile number informing you that your folder is ready for collection. You can now collect your requested personal documentation from your drop-off station. It's that simple. The next time you need a personal document, don't worry about the hassle. You have DocQ to the rescue.